Sure, thank you.
Okay, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Kang Hui, and these are my fellow teammates, Fariza, Dr. Hui, and Min Chu. Today, we are very pleased to present to you our IT solution proposal on how HP technology can help SME AKDA. Without further ado, let me start off the presentation by giving you a brief introduction of AKDA. AKDA is an architecture firm established in 2003 by Mr. Alvin Cole with $100,000. Currently, it specializes in planning and designing of high-rise buildings like condominium and hotels. It has a total of 12 employees, and currently most of its projects are in China. Although it's a small enterprise, its annual turnover has grown from 0.5 million to 4 million currently, which shows that it is quite a successful enterprise. However, after the interview with Mr. Kaur, we understand that there are several issues that AKDA still can improve on. Firstly, after Mr. Kaur brought us around in his office, we noticed that AKDA is still following conventional methods in running its business, as they still draw their design manually. With the increase of project on hand, it actually takes up more space in the office, which shows that which caused the office to appear to be disorganized. Moreover, this also required the staff and Mr. Kaur himself to take more time to retrieve the information. It is also time-consuming for them to make amendments, as every change has to be redrawn and shown to the client again in the next meeting. From our analysis, we think that this method of running its business will definitely contribute to the inefficiency of its business process, which may cause the customer to be dissatisfied. Next, as AKDA continues to expand its business both locally and overseas, another two issues that the company is currently facing are regarding its IT security and accessibility of data. For IT security, AKDA currently does not have an effective security system for data storage and protection. If hackers manage to retrieve their server domain and password, it will definitely cause great damage to the company and its reputation. Hence, AKDA needs a security software to protect its important data in order to protect both the company and the client interests. In terms of accessibility of data, as Mr. Kaur and his employee often need to go off-site to meet their client and monitor the work progress of the projects, they usually are not able to access the data due to the different operating systems at different sites. Therefore, both these issues have caused their workflow to be less efficient and less effective, which will prevent AKDA from achieving their goals and objectives. Next, I will pass on to Min Chu to tell you more about the future plan of AKDA and how we're going to resolve all these issues. Min Chu, please.
Okay, thank you, Kang Hui. Okay, for the future plan, AKDA actually plan to expand their business to overseas markets such as Laos and Myanmar. So they actually need a server that can allow them to access data in remote areas such as Laos and Myanmar. Then they also hope to achieve ISO 9000 and 14000 at the end of the year, so that they'll be able to bid for government projects, and also to increase their staff strength so as to cope with the increasing number of projects. There's also a need for them to upgrade their current IT infrastructure to support the above future plans. Okay, next. In order to achieve the ISO 9000, actually they need to clearly define the processes and procedures. So they'll need a proper system of information management and knowledge management so as to store the past year's project and the customer's information. However, all these need a higher level of memory space. So we propose to AKDA that they can actually use the HP ProLiant BL495C G5 virtualization plate, as it offers more memory and has ultra-fast processors, as it allows the company to host the virtual machines. So AKDA can actually implement this system to help them in achieving the ISO 9000. Okay. Once the business process and procedures are uploaded, it helps the employees to ensure consistency in their work and also to reduce errors. This will thus increase their productivity and the quality of work, and also it will lead to an increase in the customer satisfaction as well. Okay, with the knowledge management and information management system being implemented, employees is able to learn from the past year's project easily, and also save customer focus by making effective decisions, and also to streamline some of the HR procedures. AKDA currently does not have a company website, so this system can actually help AKDA to host its company website. which can ultimately help them to expand their market size and to increase profit and shareholders' value. For the power saving, this system actually have a built-in HP thermal logic technology which actually saves the system power and control the heat and push actually less heat into the environment. This is one of the criteria in the ISO 14000 that they can satisfy. So next I'll pass on to Dr. Hui to tell you more about the other solutions.
Thank you, Minju. Okay, so as AKDA's business grow rapidly with the growing projects and the increased need to go overseas, researching for a functional and suitable security software is one of the discussion topics that is regular now. So what AKDA will need is a trustable and reliable security software that is able to protect important data and perform effectively in data storage. So presently, this company does not have an effective security software system for data storage and protection. So the fear of hackers retrieving their server domains and password has brought much of the hassle to Mr. Kor when he and his team is on a business trip to China. This has brought much of inconvenience as they will not access to their server for long because they are fearful of the hackers retrieving their server domain. So another problem that Mr. Kor faces is the accessibility of data at different sites. Due to his work requirement, he has to go off-site quite often to meet his client or to monitor the work progress of the project. So they will not be able to access to their data remotely due to the different operating system at different sites. So to solve this issue, we would recommend that HP Storage Work Data Protector Express software is the best available choice for the company because it is easy to operate, simple, reliable, efficient, and affordable in data protection. Besides being user-friendly and cost-effective, it can also both run in locally and remotely across all operating system environments like Windows and Linux. So since Mr. Kor and his team need to go off-site quite often, this security software will definitely be useful to them if they want to get access to their data remotely. So with this software, customers will trust in AKDA and will bring about confidence in clients to do business with them as it reduces the probability of leakage of confidential information and it also reduces the impact of backup and recovery operations. In addition, it will bring about customer satisfaction because Mr. Kor and his team will be able to give instant response to clients' inquiries without being paranoid of data being stolen by the hackers. So in the long run, with this software, it will expand AKDA business potential, improve customer service, and raise profits for the company. So now I will pass on to Farida.
Thank you, Dr. Hui. So now diverting back to the other current situation which was mentioned by my teammate Kang Hui, AKDA is also using a conventional method in doing business and this actually causes his office to be disorganized with all the drawings lying all over on the floor. This task causes him also to take more time to retrieve his client's drawings and also to make amendments as he has to redraw the designs again. Since we have mentioned that he can purchase the virtualization blade to increase the memory space in his computer and the Data Protector Express software to prevent his data from being tampered or stolen, we will also recommend him to purchase this HP Compact Tablet PC TC11000. As you can see, we have a picture at the top right hand corner. So this tablet actually acts like pencil and paper. In fact, it is way better. The on-screen writing capability allows Mr. Kor and his employees to sketch their drawings, annotate documents, write and store information as digital ink. Isn't it way better than that you are able to edit the pictures and right away without having to erase and draw the whole design again? So it's also comfortable, light, and has been designed to be effortlessly portable.